So Ames, continuing the House of Monarch Dingley story, kitchen done. Now we're on to the living room.
Yeah, and I think the main thing with this is we've got to make sure it flows with the kitchen as it's an open plan living area.
Well, you know me, I love a bit of flow. So Ames, kitchen finished, and now we've got this open plan living area.
Yeah, and a lot of people want to refresh an area like this, they're just not sure what to do.
Simple. Let's start with a couple of fresh coats of paint on the walls and ceilings.
Yeah, and I'm thinking some fresh, nice new curtains, a beautiful new couch, and some wall art. Play around with that a bit to match the cushions. It's going to turn up a treat.
Let's get into it, huh? Little tip about some running repairs while we're painting. Bare patches on the walls, dust them off. Now you can actually see through to the plaster. That is no good. Get some paint, touch it up, then fill it after you've touched it up. Why? The filler will stick way better. Plaster on bare plaster, no good. Finally, up here there's been a couple of repairs where they had picture hooks in the wall. They've been filled. After I've sanded them, touch them up, and that's going to give you the perfect finish. So Ames, as far as I'm concerned, the fun has started. I've got the paintbrush out, I'm cutting in ceilings. How are you going on the walls?
I'm good down here on the skirting. I can't wait to get the roller though. That's my favourite, you know.
Yeah, I know, but hold your horses. Cut in first, roll next. So Ames, we got all that cutting in done, time to start rolling the ceiling, huh?
I feel like you've lost your marbles fast. Your top's inside out.
I know you think I have, there's a reason for that. I'm fussy. I've turned the shirt inside out because no matter how much you try, there's a little bit of splatter from ceilings. No problem, doesn't ruin the shirt.
Fuss, I've nearly finished cutting in. I'm loving these new Expertech brushes.
Why is that, love?
It just goes on so smooth and easy to use.
Speaking of easy to use, this is the new Monarch Expertech Spy Weave fabric, and I tell you what, picks up more paint than a conventional roller, makes it quicker, and it is easy to use. This is looking great.
Just a reminder everyone what we did with the kitchen. Painting it up, it looks sensational.
And I mean, there are times where people can't afford a new kitchen, i.e. this one. What did we do? Painted up those cupboards, even painted the bench top. So those old tired colours now look fabulous.
Oh, it made the world of difference. Even changing the handles over and the tap, it's looking great. How about we get into the dining and lounge?
Let's do that.
Wow, Fuss, what a difference a bit of paint and a bit of styling can do to the whole room.
And yeah, I agree, and sometimes when you do a paint job, it's not about a hero colour, it's about refreshing the room. And what we wanted here was just a nice, soft, subtle colour scheme.
You're completely right. They're even changing over the pieces like the couch, the buffet and the beautiful coffee table adds so much dimension. Adding a bit of softness with the shears and keeping the colours quite neutral, it's done a world of difference.
I'm telling you, this is really what...
Feet off the table, you're not at home now.
Well, I tell you what, I will be soon. Cheers.
Bye.